Hey you guys, so I am sitting here editing this video and I just want to give a quick intro. This is my best friend and I's gift exchange. It was filmed at about 3 o'clock in the morning when she drove in from New Mexico. So it's filmed super early in a basement, low quality, low lighting. I am so sorry. We tried the best we could. We weren't super formal or anything. We kind of just sat down, had a chat, and relished in the experience of giving each other gifts that we actually kept a secret this year. But yeah, I wanted to hop in and just introduce the video. I hope you guys had a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, whatever you celebrate. And I have a couple more videos coming up before the year ends probably, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you soon.
I don't know what that one is, so that's cool.
I like that it's polar bears.
Yeah.
We ain't the top of generation.
I know what that one is now.
Uggies. Oh! They're ugly.
Aren't they cool? I haven't seen them yet.
I love them.
Pull this one out first. Okay.
When she works at Starbucks.
Try that one.
Okay.
What is that?
The hot chocolates.
Bacon?
Yes.
Okay, that one's not bad.
See, that, some of them are normal.
Oh, this is like abuelita.
I think so, yeah.
Moonshine? That tastes so bad.
I'm excited.
I like this one. Belgian white chocolate.
Bruh! This is dope.
I got matching ones for myself. I ironically forgot to bring them.
Yeah, you brought the matching pajamas?
Yeah. Couldn't forget about those. Stuffed those in my bag.
Bruh. Thank you, Maggie. I thought you might like that because it's white.
Where did you? I didn't even see these ones.
Oh yeah, so they launched those just a couple weeks ago, and we only got like 2 of them or 3 of them. And I took one. And I was like, she'd like those. It matches her outfit.
All my coworkers are gonna be jealous of me. Why can't I talk? I can put it on my backpack now. Is this white out?
Yeah. It's pink, so I bought it for you.
No.
It's pink.
Oh, the outside.
Yeah. Thank you.
One of them's mine. I like this hat.
I too got that at Urban Outfitters.
Did you really?
Yeah. I got it on sale. That's a look. I kind of like this contrast.
I look like cotton candy.
With the bag right next to it.
I'm stoked about it. Oh.
Ooh!
It's a cross stitch. I don't know if you know how to cross stitch or not, but
I do. Remember my trees?
I couldn't remember if you could cross stitch or embroider.
Mostly embroider, but
yeah.
that doesn't mean I won't learn how to cross stitch. Yeah. I mean, they're pretty damn similar. I like that. I have no fucks to do.
Yeah.
Playing cards. Old-fashioned playing cards. Add that to the collection.
They're Andy Warhol ones. I thought those were kind of cool, so I don't know if they're supposed to be like artistic or not. Unclear. Instructions unclear. I like these pins, or not these pins, these clips.
I thought you would like them since you're really into like the 90s aesthetic right now.
Yeah.
What do you guys call it? The Y?
Y2K.
Y2K. She's like, she's old, she doesn't know.
Is this one of those things that you just like stick and pick things up with?
Yeah. I don't know, I thought your cup holder might need it or something.
Yes,
because my cup holder...
My cup holder has a french fry in it right now.
My cup holder has hair and other things.
I kid you not, a french fry.
That'd be cosmetology there.
I think those ones are yours.
Either way, we're gonna eat them together.
Yeah. I brought them both because I figured you'd eat them, so I just left it in your bag. Rosé gummies.
Rosé's good. Roses.
Right?
Oh, that's heavy.
Sorry. I wonder where these ones are.
Yeah, they're
Is that a polar bear or a reindeer? It has
reindeer.
antlers.
Reindeer. You're like, we're in the holiday spirit.
I like how we have a theme going here. I like how your boyfriend's patiently waiting to open his gifts after we open ours.
No hurry.
Ooh, look at eucalyptus.
Yeah, that one's kind of so Adrian doesn't die.
You know,
He
I
likes
probably
eucalyptus.
should have bought you one of these too.
I have one, so it's
Oh.
okay.
Okay.
I have several.
But you just don't use them.
Yeah. They're more for decoration than anything. Wait, I love this.
Yes, I thought you would like it because it's like a leopard print. It's like a shawl. Is that what you call it?
I think so.
Or like a, not like a cardigan.
It's not thick enough to be a cardigan.
No, it's like, is it a shawl?
I'm gonna look like
A cougar? A MILF?
a sugar mom. Sugar mama. On the beach.
Mama MILF. Raspberry black tea!
Yeah. So there's a lot of gifts in here that are from small businesses. Because I got it at Junk Stock. These are our matching PJs. So yeah, polar bears on them.
Ooh, is it peace sign?
I don't remember.
Peace and joy. Yo, you got my middle name? Sick.
Wait, these are so soft.
Let's go. Yes.
I love matching sets.
See, I think this color is actually more peachy, but because of this yellow light, it kind of looks yellow. Yeah, it's like, it's more of a peachy color.
I think it looks peachy. That's my least favorite thing about sets is they never have pockets. And I'm like, what in the heck? Why are there no pockets?
Oh my
See, this is why I never pass any outfit. That's from the same woman who made these. And she's so sweet. Have you ever had that? This stuff's like crack.
I don't go to Trader Joe's.
Candy cane JoJo's are like crack.
I hope you like this for those. And plus these pockets are like really cool.
Get some Trader from Trader too.
You act like I don't give you real pockets. I don't.
Oh, you can even see it. You ate one already?
I'm a fella.
Leave me alone. Is this your type pen? Or is this my type pen?
It's yours.
Oh, okay. It's like, I know you have one too, so I was like, is this mine?
Yeah, I have one,
yours?
but I never bring them. I guess I'm about to read your fortune tonight.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Yeah, I fucking love it. I've been wanting tarot cards, and I keep telling myself I'm gonna buy one.
Yeah.
But I never do.
You remember when I messaged you and I was like, do you like manga?
Yeah.
That's what that was.
I love manga.
I was debating on which one I was gonna get you. Oh. That was also from a small business at Junk Stock, and it says that was illegal, but okay.
Love it. I'm gonna clip this onto my apron at work.
I thought it was very on brand for us.
Oh yeah! I bought myself, this is from a small business too. I really like them. And I've been trying my hardest not to play with the slime because I got one too so that we could do it together. It smells like gingerbread.
Is it really?
Yeah. We could open it and smell it.
Exciting.
Oh, yeah.
Those are the dick mints!
Yeah,
You're welcome, by the way. Oh, that's lotion from the bee farm. I like how we agreed this was gonna be a small gift exchange. Oh, jeez, what is in here?
Your present.
This is Vita board.
Yes, I love these things.
Okay.
Open up your gift.
yeah.
No.
No
shit.
Yes.
You know I almost bought one for myself on Black Friday.
They didn't have the...
Get it out.
I really couldn't wait. No, I could
She
not.
could not. She was weak.
Hey, I do use mine.
I used Michaela's. Excited. As I die in this one game.
It's so heavy.
It's so nice. Did you know they have weighted blankets
I'm gonna
as well?
suffocate in this and be okay with it. Nice.